Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video about the new Exposed Cosmetics Sahara Sunset palette. It's basically a dupe for, what dupe is it? And they also have done another palette here, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, then they are definite dupes for Huda palettes, and they're absolutely gorgeous, and they are only $4.99. As you can see, this one's had a bit of a rough life so far. I've gone into that many times. The metallic-y sort of foil shades are absolutely gorgeous. But enough about that one, because today we're talking about this baby. Now initially I was going to do something with the purple colours because I don't really do any purple looks on my eyes, and I thought it would be quite pretty, but then I saw this colour, and now that it doesn't look like, oh yeah, it's just like a metallic-y brown. No, let me just swatch it for you. So I hope that's coming up on camera. But it's basically like a metallic bronze with like green reflex in it. It kind of reminds me of the MAC Pigment Old Gold, which was like a bronzy brown with green reflex in it. Obviously the green isn't super intense, it's quite subtle, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I'll also pop in a little picture here just to show you, look at all those colours, look how gorgeous they are. So you get 10 of the metallic foil type shades and then 8 of the matte colours. So what I'm going to do is just use a concealer. I've got my, oh that's clean, just give that a quick wipe. So I'm just going to be using my Avon Ideal Flawless Cream Concealer, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. But before I do that, I'm just going to get myself some tape, because I really want the lines to be really clean with this. Now that we're looking super cute and feeling very strange with the tape on my face, I'm just applying the concealer. So first off, I'm going to be using this colour in the crease, and then that to deepen the crease, and then this for the lid. Okay guys, so I've just finished the underneath and the lid and everything. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to quickly put on my foundation and do my eyebrows, just because I wanted to add a little more detail, and I want to make sure that my foundation base is all laid down, and it'll just pull all the look together, and then we'll put lashes on. Okay, so now we've put that in the inner corners, so I'm just going to put some eyeliner and some lashes on. So I've just done my eyeliner with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. I've done my eyebrows with the W7 Queen of Brows Brow Mascara. I love this product, it really fills out the brows and gives it a nice shape without it looking too fake. A really soft and natural looking eyebrow rather than slugs, which nobody wants. I've just done all my foundation, my contour, my highlight. I'm just about to put some lashes on. Now the ones that I'm using are by Glamify Beauty, and they come in this gorgeous case. Oh, it's going to fall out. This has got a little pull ribbon here. I have made a video about all the different eyelashes that I got from Glamify Beauty, and they are reusable. You just have to take the glue off when you use them next, and keep them in the packet. The style that I'm going to be using is the GB25, and I'm just using my Amazing Shine eyelash glue to put that on with in clear. These are really easy and quick to put on. Normally when you have eyelashes that have a really thick band, it is a lot more trickier to get them on first time round, but I found if I let the glue go really sticky before I put it on, they do go on straight away. So here we are, the lashes are on and they look absolutely beautiful. I'm really pleased with this look. I really enjoyed using the Technic Glitter Me Up lip gloss on my inner corners. There's somebody there. I've got my camera on my windowsill and I don't want them to see me. They're just standing there. Oh. Be right back. That was so cringe. He was just stood there with his dog and I was like, eh? Anyway, so as I was saying, I'm really pleased that I tried out the Technic Glitter Me Up lip gloss for my inner corners. It came out so shiny and it just complemented the other colours of the look. I did use it on my lips and I think for like, you know, festivals, something like that, it's really, really fun to use. But for every day, I don't think I'd wear this on my lips, but on the inner corners, hell yes. I also think it would be good for a spotlight eye as well. Back to the palette. I love all the different colours in this. I love the purples. I will be doing another look on those, but I just really wanted to try out that old gold colour. But I'm just going to move into some better lighting so you can get a better look at it. So come with me and you'll see in a world of beautiful imagination. Here's my little friend. Hello, Bear. He's a good boy, this one. So here is the look. I'll just do some close-ups for you now. Oh, that's very close. So guys, that's my review / tutorial on the Sahara Sunset palette. I think it's definitely a good dupe for the Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty. This palette only cost me $4.99. I think the pigment payoff is really good. You get a lot of different colours and shades. There's 18 in total and it's so much cheaper than the Huda Beauty one. I think the Huda one is what, like £50. If you're interested in that palette, I'd say give this one a go and see how it works for you. I will be doing some more videos with this palette. I'm definitely going to try out the purple shades because they look beautiful. But if you like this video, then please leave a like below and don't forget to comment and subscribe. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye!